Hi there, Mary Gant with True Technologies. Today we're in a home that has a crawl space. It has been encapsulated by the builder and it has a passive vent pipe. We're going to activate that passive system. I want to show you how that's done. This is where the Radon vent pipe comes down into the crawl space. If we pull a vacuum just on this area right here, we're going to suck the liner down around the orifice of the vent pipe. So what we need to do is we need to create some drainage underneath the liner. So we need to insert some drainage material so that we can pull a vacuum on the entire footprint of this crawl space. Here you can see we've inserted the strip drain underneath the liner. We've done that around the perimeter of the crawl space. This helps us pull a vacuum on the entire footprint of this home. So we've installed the strip drain down in the crawl space. We've connected everything up. We just finished installing the Radon fan up in the attic space. The customer chose to install a variable speed fan. That enables us to dial the fan into exactly what we need. It's super energy efficient. You can see right here, this fan is operating at 32 watts of electricity. So super energy efficient, very, very quiet. We're all finished here in the crawl space. We located all of our system indicators down here so the customer can easily view them. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to follow us for more information like this. We make radon videos. We're a radon company. We create radon solutions for radon problems. And feel free to leave a comment down below. So if you'd have done something differently, if you have a crawl space, maybe you need a radon system, tell me about it. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks. See you next time.